It's that one. It's the ghost one.
So smashed this up a little bit over the weekend. You can see here this bar. I don't know if you can see in there. Anyways, this thing's a little smashed up and bent, pulled backwards out. The bars over here, these got bent, pushed up into the plate here, kind of bent around here. So I'm gonna try to take this, loosen it up, and bend this back. Hopefully be able to straighten it out a little bit and get it back to normal. You can see here how this thing's smashed up into the plastics. Right here, did some damage. The bolt kind of caught it, cut it up a little bit. And over here, you can see the difference, how much of a gap there is, or supposed to be. So it's definitely not supposed to be that close to it. So it's bent quite a bit. So I'm gonna do a little surgery today and hopefully get it back up and running. All right, guys, so had Brandon work on the bike here. We went over these bars and took everything apart, kind of tried to bend things back as close to normal as possible. From the first video, you can see where it scraped the plastics here, where this bolt was right up against it, pressing through it. And we finally got a little bit of gap here, about 2 fingers width worth. So there's a little more space here. Same thing over here. This plate was actually pressed all the way into the plastic here. We got that back off of it a little bit and somewhat got it recentered again. So it's as close as we can get it. Also, this bar, I mean, it was way worse. It was pressing through the plastic, pushing it in. We've got it now to where it's just lightly touching. I mean, there's still not a gap there. Like you can see, if I go to this side, you'll be able to see there's a huge difference in what it should look like. So like this one has a pretty massive gap between the plastic and the bar. Same thing down here. It's a nice space between it. And on this side, you can definitely see a lot more space here compared to the other side. But compared to what it was before, I mean, it was pretty twisted and pushed over to that side of the bike quite a bit. I mean, this is as close as I'm gonna get it for now, so I'll ride it until I guess I wreck it again and then remove them and probably put a new set of bars on. But anyways, guys, just thought I'd share that with you, that, you know, with the Inpreda, these are from Inpreda. I found them on eBay, and Amazon sells them. Inpreda crash bars. It's for, at least this one's for the CRF 250 Rally version from years 2017 to 2020. And this comes with a full crash bar, engine guard, upper and lower skid plate. So this comes as a complete package here. So just like you saw on my bike, I have the upper arm to protect the upper side plastics. Also this little cage that goes around the bottom fairings, and then also a skid plate. So it comes with all of these parts that you can put together. And I mean, I've crashed this thing several times now, and I mean, it's held up. This is the first one for this video where you can see that it bent. But I mean, I was doing about 30 miles an hour when I crashed, and so I mean, it did a little bit of damage, not much, but at least the bars did what they were designed to do, and that's to protect the plastics. So there was no damage to the bike at all, just a little bit of bend on these bars. And we were able to move them and bend them, put them back together, and get them as close to normal or the original state they were in when we first put them on. But this is on eBay. They're going for $220 right now. I think I paid around $200 when I got them a little over maybe a year and a half ago. So they have gone up in price a little bit. But look up Honda CRF 250 Rally. Look up Inpreda, and you'll be able to find these for your rally. And I believe that they have them for other model bikes as well. And I got them on there, set them up. I think this set was right around $200 or so for the whole kit. So not too bad, but looks like I'm probably going to need another set coming up pretty soon if I bang them up again. So anyways, you guys have a good night. Later.